Alright guys, so we got the head off. So this is the cylinder that had all the water in it when I looked through the spark plug hole. It did dry up, but there was, well, I wiped it off, but you can see where it had washed the face of the cylinder. I mean, they all look like they've been washed, but this one you could just tell it was like clean. It still kind of looks clean compared to all the other ones. This one had coolant in it once I pulled the head, but I believe it just got in there from the process of pulling the head. So we are gonna straight edge the block, make sure the block is straight. But I never overheated it. It never got overheated. It never got above like 195 degrees. So I'm pretty confident that the block is straight. But the head, we are definitely gonna send to a machine shop. We're gonna get it resurfaced and ported. I am getting it done locally just because I work for UPS and I know the likelihood of it getting damaged on the way back and forth to California is high. So if I can get it done locally, we're gonna get it done locally. So we are just gonna do a port. The valve train and the cams I'm gonna do later by myself because I can do that now. Now that I've gotten this deep into it, I feel confident in doing the work myself. But as far as porting it, I can't port it here, so we're gonna get it ported while it's off. Let me see. So the block is a CSS block. We are running a 625 head studs. We're gonna reuse these head studs, but I am gonna upgrade the nuts to a 14 millimeter nut. The Tron pistons, OEM bore, 86.5. We're running inline pro X-beam rods. We did do the upgraded HD pins, the Fat Boys, ARP 2000 rod bolts. What else did we do? ACL bearings with the PMAX coat. It has a ported oil pump and a Unit 2 Fab baffled oil pan, yada, yada, yada. Let me see. What else? Oh yeah, so we're just gonna resurface the head, port it, and throw it back on here because I need to verify that my gasket selection is gonna work. So we did have the JE Pro Seal on here. We did blow it the fuck out. So it blew out in between each of the cylinders. So I think, so we ran the JE Pro Seal, 625 head studs. But we blew the gasket because the engine has seen a lot, man. It's been through some shit from day one. And the engine builder and the original tuner was, he was some fucking garbage, man. You know what I mean? So it came to no surprise that this joint let go. I'm just glad it didn't let go worse. I'm glad it didn't chuck a rod or some crazy shit. You know what I mean? So really it's best case scenario so far, unless I find some, you know, hidden damage. But, yeah, so we're gonna throw the head on and we're gonna verify that my gasket selection. We're gonna run an OEM gasket, OEM head gasket, because the OEM head gasket has little coolant passages in between each of the bores to help try to keep this spot specifically cool, because this spot in the engine or the block, it sees the most heat. So we're gonna run the OEM head gasket, see if we have better luck with that. I wanted to O-ring this block, but it's not coming out. So, but we are building another one. So the next one we're gonna do a sleeve block with O-rings on it. So I might go with JBR just because they're local, but we'll see. That's for later. But other than that, I think I covered pretty much everything, man. I think that's it. If y'all have any questions or anything, leave it in the comments. Just keep it positive, man. Stop fucking talking shit about people in my fucking comments, man. This shit whack as fuck, man. Especially if y'all don't know what the fuck's going on, man. Follow my build. Y'all can see the history of this car, this motor, see what it's been through and everything. And then, you can support my fucking build and you can, you know, familiarize yourself with what's going on. That way you're not just, you know, yapping in my fucking comments, starting drama and shit. But anyways, man, that's enough of that. We are going to send a turbo in. Got to send that in. RB6 was gracious enough to, take a look at that and fix it for me. But other than that, I think that's it, man. If y'all see anything that I fucked up, anything that I need to address, leave it in the comments, let me know, okay? Bada bing, bada boom. Here's the head. You'll see anything that sticks out to you, let me know. The head. I have the cams over here, all my hardware over here for the head, or most of the hardware for the head. Timing cover and shit over here. So I have everything organized. I keep coming out here trying to like remind myself where I put everything. There is shit fucking everywhere. But I don't know, I'm pretty confident. All my fuel system stuff is in here. Yeah, that's the progress so far, guys. This is all my turbo stuff. Yeah, what a mess, man. So we're gonna get through this, man.